Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the On Cloud Horizon WP. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below, which I best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the On Cloud Horizon WP. We got this in the lead mineral colorway in UK size 8, European 42, and this US men's 8.5. And here we go. We've got a look at On Running's On's hiking sneaker for you. And you know, On Running has taken the world by storm. I mean, I'm seeing loads of people wear on running sneakers nowadays. I've done a couple on reviews, so do check that out. But this is the first time we're reviewing the hiking sneakers. And let's start with all the gimmicks from the outsole. So the outsole, we've got all a rubber outsole with these heavy lugs. This is On's Mission Grip right here being used. And then looking at the midsole unit, so you've got On Running's famous Cloud Tech. This time it's the Cloud Tech phase. Essentially it's their foam that they use in all their sneakers, or the majority of their sneakers to be fair. Very big. It's bigger than your typical Cloud Tech monster. You know, tons of these Cloud models that On use. Midsole comes in at 4 centimeters from the bottom to the top of this heel, right there. The midsole, I mean, makes any sense. And then the upper, so your upper is made out of a wide range of materials, a lot of textiles. However, one thing to add, there are two versions of the Cloud Horizon. So you have the normal Cloud Horizon, and then you have this waterproof version that we have in our hands right now. And this incorporates the On waterproof membrane right inside. So you can see all around the sneakers, all these mix of materials, but just underneath it, there's a membrane that makes it waterproof. You can see at the toe box, the exaggerated rubber from the toe, from the outsole, extends up to the toes. Then you've got these heat pressed plastics as well, round. You've got a lot of textile materials to make it with On Running logo on the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker. Flat lacing system with a spongy tongue, and you've got the On Running logo there on the pull tabs. Just at the heel, something adds is the pull tab right there, and as well, like a lot of On Running On sneakers, they have the little Swiss flag that you can find at the heel. This is Swiss engineering right there. And if you look at the insole as well, you got the On Cloud Horizon waterproof logo lettering found inside to show that it's waterproof. Very lightweight as well, and this weighs 377 grams. Coming in at 377 grams, it's very lightweight for a trail running sneaker. Really excited to try these on. Try these on. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you shoe size on running feet, shoe size. So this is a UK 8, typically for sneakers, shoes, Nike, Levi's, whatever. I wear a UK size 7.5. This is a bit big than what I'm used to. However, even though there's a lot of space at the front, very comfortable. If I could hike in these all the time, definitely would. I mean, it's really, really comfy, guys. Feel a bit taller as well with tech technology. We need all that out. Cannot rave on how comfortable these are, and because of the midsole section, feel a bit taller, feel like it's a bit, you know what I mean, 3 more inches. Then you decide where. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.